We had two types of ellipse. One type of ellipse is like this, and another type of ellipse is like this. This has got x-axis this way. This has got x-axis this way. The equation of the first ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. Remember, the denominator numbers a square and b square are positive numbers. That's why square is there. So if I write an equation x square upon 5 plus y square upon 3 equal to 1, I'll get this type of ellipse. And if you write an equation x square upon 3 plus y square upon 5, you will get this type. Here, a is greater than b. Here, b will be greater than a. What is the speciality of any point on the ellipse? You have the fixed line directrix. You have the fixed point, the focus. Whenever P is a point on the ellipse, what condition will this point P satisfy?
SP upon PM is equal to E.
Very good. SP upon PM will be a constant. And that constant should be less than 1. Whatever the constant's value, it should be a number between 0 and 1. Then only it will be ellipse. And ellipse also has got one more property. This is another directrix. How many directrix an ellipse has got?
Two directrix.
And how many focus?
2.
Second property of ellipse is the sum of the distance from the two foci will be a constant. SP plus S dash P will be the length of the major axis, this distance. This red color distance which I'm drawing, that will be SP plus S dash P, length of the major axis. This I don't think I explained to you as last time. So the two definitions says for ellipse has, one is SP upon PM is a constant. Another is SP plus S dash P is 2A. This P stands for any point on the ellipse. Then we have the formula for remembering what is the coordinate of focus. What is the coordinate of focus? AE, 0 and minus AE, 0. How do you calculate E? Root of A square minus B square upon A. This is a formula to calculate the eccentricity. Then equation of directrix, x equal to A by E and x equal to minus A by E. Then this is called the major axis. A dash A is called the major axis and this is called the minor axis. And length of A dash will be root of A square. That means A. So length A dash will be twice A. And length of B dash will be twice B. I hope so much you remember. Then
Yes.
we learned what is lattice rectum. AE, B square upon A and AE, minus B square upon A. Similarly, here we have the directrix this way. So it will be y is a constant. Y is equal to B by E and y is equal to minus B by E. And the foci will be 0, BE and 0, minus BE. The center is origin. Major axis will be 2B. This length is 2B. And minor axis is 2A. This length is 2A. So the lattice rectum will be, here length of the lattice rectum is 2B square upon A. And here length of the lattice rectum will be 2A square upon B. This much we learned last class. Now I just given a summary. You have your notes. The table is given in the notes. So you don't have to worry about it. So look at the notes. I have given a table here. The beginning of the notes. Yeah. So whenever you are in doubt, you can use this notes to get the formulae. Foci, vertices, major axis, everything is given here. So if you forget it, just look at this formula and get it. Okay. Now I'm going to, after this, I'm going to the exercise. So we'll be applying different conditions to get the answers. So start with the first one. Question number 1. That is here question number 3, because 2 questions I had already done last time. Question number 3. Can you tell me what you have to do here? Eccentricity is given. Center is at the origin. One directrix is x equal to 4. You got to find the equation of the ellipse. Can you make a diagram? This will be the ellipse. Center is at the origin. Eccentricity is half. One directrix is x equal to 4. So which type of equation ellipse is this? Tell me.
Greater than B.
So you start writing. Let the equation of the ellipse be x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. Then E is given to be half. Then equation of directrix is x equal to a by e. So what is given to you equation of directrix as?
4.
4. So a by e is 4. Your aim is to get a and b's value. So a upon 1 by 2 is 4. Therefore, a is equal to 2. So you got a's value. Now you need to get b's value. How will you get b's value? Do you know?
Sir, from the eccentricity formula.
E is equal to root of a square minus b square upon a. So ae is equal to ae square. I'll take is a square minus b square. So b square is a square minus a square e square. If you take a square common, 1 minus e square. If you can remember this formula, it will be the best. B square is a square into 1 minus a square. So 2 square into 1 minus 1 by 2 square. So 4 into 3 by 4. So you'll get b square as 3. So a square is 4 and b square is 3. So now you can replace it in equation 1 and get the equation. X square upon 4 plus y square upon 3 equal to 1 is your answer. So take LCM, you'll get the corresponding answer. So first we assume the equation of the ellipse. Given to us the foci. Foci is given to be 4, 0. So we got AE from that. Then E is also given to us. E is given as 4 by 5. So substituted E here and got A's value. Now you can replace it here. 5 square into 1 minus 4 by 5 the whole square. So 25 into 25 minus 16 upon 25, which you get as 9. So where's going to be the answer? Yes, Kevil, Kashish, good. Both of you have given correct answer. So x square upon 25 plus y square upon 9 equal to 1. Can you give me a shortcut to select the answer? If I ask you to select the answer, what would you have done? Another formula for foci is root of a square minus b square. You remember this?
Yes.
So I should get this 4 as the difference of a, that is root of a square minus 4 square, b square should be 4. So here check 25 and 9. Difference is 16. Root of that is 4. Now this cannot be because b is greater than a. 16 minus 9 is 7, root 7, so that is wrong. 9 minus 36 is 25, so this is also wrong. Secondly, b is greater than a. So you could have done the answer without doing any calculation. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now comes the real question. Till now we were doing questions which were normal. There's nothing speciality of it. Now they are not standard foci. Usually the foci is AE, 0 and minus AE, 0. But here the foci is -1, 1 and 1, 1. Then, and it's not standard, passes through the origin. So let's draw it. First of all, you will draw the axis, x-axis and y-axis. Tell me the 2 points which you have foci. 1,
-1
and -1, 1. Correct now? So we
Yes,
can
sir.
assume, is it right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can assume this as the ellipse, because ellipse is passing through the origin. So the axis of symmetry will be this now. This will be the axis of symmetry. Now remember, if the center is h, k, then the equation of the ellipse would be x minus h the whole square upon a square, y minus k the whole square upon b square equal to 1. This would be the equation of the ellipse, where h, k will be the center. Is it fine? Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
So you have to first tell me what is h and k, what is the center of this ellipse. Then we have to calculate what is a and b, which will be the center of the ellipse. The midpoint of the foci is the center. Correct? So what is the center? Tell me. Center h, k will be the midpoint. So give me the answer. Calculate the midpoint. -1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2.
0, 2.
0, 1.
1.
0, 1. So now the equation of the ellipse became x minus 0 the whole square upon a square. Then here y minus k the whole square upon b square. Now my aim is to find a and b. The distance between the foci,
2 AE.
yeah, is 2 AE, correct? Na?
Yes,
And
sir.
that will be equal to here 2. So 2 AE is 2. I calculated directly here. This length is 1 unit, this length is 1 unit, so total distance is 2 unit. So AE is 1. Then b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Or you can do this way, another method. What is AE is 1, no? AE is always root of a square minus b square. So 1 will be root of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is 1. So b square can be replaced by a square minus 1. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So now what the equation of the ellipse became? X minus 0 the whole square upon a square plus y minus 1 the whole square upon b square. B square can be replaced by a square minus 1 equal to 1. Now we have to find the value of a. Which condition we have not used it?
0, passes through here.
So if 0, 0 passes through that point, what you can say?
It satisfies the equation.
So x became 0. 0 upon a square हो गया. Y became 1 upon a square minus 1 हो गया. So this became gone. So take the reciprocal. A square minus 1 is 1. Therefore, a square is 2. And substitute here, b square is 1. By substituting here. So your final answer is x square upon a square plus y minus 1 the whole square upon b square equal to 1. Now if you expand this, you get the answer. X square upon 2 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 equal to 1. So 1 got cancelled. X square plus 2y square minus 4y equal to 0. That was a tricky question. Indirect question. Parinita is there in the class? Nowadays she doesn't respond.
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Yeah. Please respond, okay, Parinita?
Yes, sir.
This teaching becomes so difficult. You should have, you people were in the class now, I would have taken all students' attention. Everybody would have concentrated in the class. But now I have no idea. So I'm just waiting when. So what we have done? They've given us PA plus PB is equal to 8. PA plus PB is equal to 8. A and B are two fixed points. That means A and B are the foci. P is any point on the ellipse. SP plus S dash P will be always 2A in ellipse. So this 8 is nothing but your 2A. So you get A from that. Distance between the foci is 2A, and that is given to be 6. So 2A is 6. You get AE from it. So you know A and AE, B can be calculated using the formula, and that's how you get this answer. So answer became 1. So the first definition of ellipse, one definition of ellipse I have utilized. Now we are going to for the second definition of ellipse. Can you read it? Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Read question number 7. Can you tell me which method should you find for finding the equation of ellipse? What are the things given?
Focus, eccentricity, and directrix.
If focus and directrix is given to you, how do you find the equation of the ellipse? Eccentricity also given. So again, you take a point on the ellipse. Use the second definition. SP upon PM is a constant. So SP is E times PM. SP is by distance formula. Focus is 3, minus 2. So you can put the distance formula. X minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 2 plus 2 the whole square. E is 3 by 4. PM is distance from a point to a line. What is the line here? 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. How do you find distance from a point to a line?
Substitute that point in that and under root a square plus b square.
Very good. Very good. 2 square plus minus 1 square. Now, if you expand this, you get your answer. So x minus 3 the whole square plus y plus 2 the whole square is 9 by 16 times square this 2x minus y plus 3 the whole square divided by square root goes of 4 plus 1 5. Now 16 into 5 is how much? 80. Is equal to 9 into a square, b square, c square, 2ab, 2ac, 2bc. Now you calculate this, you'll get 80x square minus 36x square. So 44x square. 9 minus, okay, 80y square minus 9y square. So 71 plus 36xy. So much are tally. Then minus 240x plus 98 minus 98. So 374, 240 and 12x 08. 2. What are the answers given? Select the correct answer. First you will say S is 3,9, S dash is 3,1. Therefore, the focus has major axis vertical major axis it has got. So its equation will be x minus h the whole square upon a square plus y minus k the whole square upon b square equal to 1, where b will be greater than a. B will be greater than a. Oh, so then your formula also will change. Then the center is midpoint of the foci. So the midpoint is 3 plus 3 by 2 and 9 plus 1 by 2, which is 3,5. Then, so you have got 3,5. In fact, 2 or 3, 4 can be. Now we'll apply distance between foci. Is 10. Therefore, 2a is 10. Therefore, a is 5. 2b is 10. 2b, sorry. 2b is 10. So b is 5. So now the answer can be only second as the answer, no other. So this is center is 3,5. So h and k became 3,5. B became 25. So answer is second question. Answer is.
So recording.
I'm doing it now. Getting record. What do you notice here? the point of intersection of these two lines you have to take, where t is a parameter. So if you eliminate t, you will get your answer. So xt upon a minus y upon b equal to minus t. So what you do is, in place of this t, if you substitute this, okay, you don't have t in this. Okay, so then in that case, you make t as a subject and substitute in it. Eliminate t. So how to eliminate t in this? Tell me how to eliminate t. Either make t a subject in both the place. So t is equal to y by b divided by x by a plus 1. Now make t a subject in the next question, next part. ty upon b is 1 minus x by a. So t is equal to b into 1 minus x by a upon y. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Now equate 1 and 2. Equating 1 and 2. So why I'm doing this is to eliminate that t. Parameter, if you eliminate, you will get the equation of the curve. So y upon b divided by x upon a plus 1 is equal to b into 1 minus x upon a upon y. So cross multiply. Y square b is cross multiply this b into 1 plus xa, I'll write as 1 plus xa into 1 minus xa. So y square upon b square is 1 minus x square upon a square. So x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. So this is nothing but ellipse. So whenever they give you some parameter, eliminate the parameter, you will get the equation of the locus. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Minus 4, 1 and 6, 1 are the vertices of an ellipse. And one of the foci lies on this line. Then eccentricity. How to do this problem? This point is minus 4, 1. This point is 6, 1. Then, and one of the foci lies on x minus 2y equal to 1. Can you tell me what will be the foci's coordinate?
It will be x1, comma 1 and x2, comma 1.
Yeah, because the axis is y equal to 1. So I can say x1, 1. That means if I put y as 1, I'll get x value. So one of the foci is 4, 1. You got the point? Because the foci is on this point. Foci lies on this line, has y coordinate 1. So I put y as 1 and got the x coordinate. So one of the foci is 4, 1. Now what you are asked to find the eccentricity. So if you want to find the eccentricity, we only know the distance between either of them. What is the formula for distance between the foci and the This is A comma 0, no? And this is A comma 0. So the distance between these two, you can calculate. SA. Distance between SA is nothing but A minus AE. So A minus AE should be 4 minus 6, 2. Can you tell me how much is A? Are you getting this idea or not getting?
Sir, how did you get that A minus A is?
Okay, fine. You ask me, it is easy for me to teach. Imagine this ellipse or standard ellipse. Suppose this is a focus and this is the one of the vertex. This AE comma 0. This A comma 0, right now?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the distance between them?
A minus A.
So SA is A minus AE. Now what is given to you? The vertex are minus 4 comma 1 and 6 comma 1. Now the line is not x. This is not x-axis now. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
And you know the distance between these two. How much is that? 6 comma 1 minus 4 comma 1. Distance is 10. This is minus 4. This is 6. So total 10. So 2A is 10. So A is 5.
5.
Then how did you get the coordinate of focus? Because A is 6 comma 1 and minus 4 comma 1. So the focus also will have y coordinate 1. So the major axis is y equal to 1. And this is passing through, what is the equation of that line? X minus 2y equal to 2. So when y is 1, x minus 2 into 1 equal to 2. So x equal to 2. So the focus is 2 comma 1. So what will be SA now? Distance between 2 comma 1 and 6 comma 1. In fact, 4. That you can do mentally. I'm just writing here. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So now we have SA is 4, A is 5. So 4 is equal to 5 minus 5 into E. So 5 E is 1. E is 1 by 5. Always when they give you non-standard ellipse, distance between the points will not change. So you will equate the distance with the formula. But don't equate the coordinate. Then you cannot do it. Only distance can be equated. I hope you understood.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
So tricky questions, you have to just put little mind and think. Then only you will get the answer. Can I change the page? Anybody writing?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Yeah. So what you do is, 1 minute. You write like this. If P is x comma y, the root of x plus 2 the whole square plus y square is length SP, where S is, okay, S dash P, where S dash is minus 2 comma 0. Root of x minus 2 the whole square plus y square is SP, where S is 2 comma 0. So SP plus S dash P is 8. So 2A is 8. A is 4. Then we'll say distance between the foci. So 2a is 4, a is 2, not 2ae. So e is 2 by a, so 2 by 4, so 1 by 2. समझा कि नहीं समझा? Instead of giving directly sp plus s dash p is 8, they are given indirectly.
But it should strike our mind first.
Hmm?
It should strike our mind first, then only we can use it.
Now let's think about next one, another twisted question. A circle is described with the minor axis of the ellipse as diameter. If the foci lies on the circle, then what is the eccentricity of the ellipse? See, JEE questions has its own standard. You should be able to visualize it. It is not a just, formula substitute application. You have to have a circle with the minor axis as the diameter. Can you imagine? Oh, I will not be able to draw it here. I'll have to I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
So the minor axis became the diameter. And it passes through the focus. The circle passes through the focus. So what you can say? This distance and this distance should be equal.
Yes, sir. Radius of the circle.
So how much is this distance?
AE.
AE. This is 0, b, na?
Yes, sir.
So what is this distance? So AE will be equal to B. Fine. So A square E square equal to B square. A square E square equal to A square minus A square E square. So that's all. A square you cancel. So 2E square is 1. E square is 1 by 2. So E is 1 by root 2. Very simple thing. But they ask you questions such a way that you have to visualize the things. Basically, they are checking that only, whether you can visualize an answer.